This next guest is going to give you the smile that you need today. A Quebec nurse has gained worldwide attention for his very real and often hilarious post to social media sharing what it's really like to work in healthcare.
In 5, 6, 7, 8, I am ready to give up. In 5, 6,
This video from Nurse John has 7.5 million views. His account has nearly 3.5 million followers on TikTok. Obviously, Nurse John has really struck a chord with people, and we're so happy to welcome the man behind the scrubs to our show this morning, John Dela Cruz. Thanks for being here. Great to meet you.
Hey, thank you. Thank you for having me here today. It is a pleasure to be here with you today.
How did your TikTok adventure start?
It all started when I accidentally posted a TikTok video during the peak of the pandemic when I was working as a registered nurse. And the next day, family members were telling me that, hey, have you seen your face in social media? It went viral. And I was really shocked because it wasn't meant to be posted. And that's, I think, when the journey started.
When did you realize that people, I mean, outside of your family and friends, were starting to relate to the things that you were posting?
It's when other healthcare workers and even patients starts giving me personal messages through my Instagram and my other platforms telling me how I am helping them get through their situation that they're relating with most of the videos that I'm being that I post, and that really struck me a lot. And it's when I started realizing that I should be doing this more often because I'm helping other people too.
We're just watching this video of you. You're also an incredible dancer, Nurse John. Those are some good moves. On a more serious note, you are now off work after suffering from burnout. Listen, we've talked a lot about that on this show. We were just talking to the president of the Canadian Medical Association about staff burnout, that it's real. What do you want people to know about working conditions for nurses and healthcare staff right now?
What I want people to know is that nurses are not this title that was given to them during the pandemic, superheroes, that nurses are real human beings who have physical, emotional, and mental health that we need to be taken care of too, just like patients, for us to be able to provide to our community. And that, suffering from like mental struggles like burnout and other mental illnesses is normal. And as long as you can realize that, and you prioritize yourself over your job, that is the most important thing.
There are millions of views of the video, millions of followers on your account. Has the attention changed anything for you?
Yes, in a sense that people recognizes me more, and I think it's helping other healthcare workers and even patients see that, it's not so bad being in the hospital, that nurses are there to take care of you, that we are just like everyone else, that they don't have to be scared going to the hospital or being hospitals because nurses are their friends.
Nurse John, I just have to ask you, I know you put it on TikTok that that's how you distract patients. Did you do that for real in the hospital?
I did. That's how I helped them. That's how I helped them get through anxiety, stress situations. And as long as they're happy and they're smiling, that's the most important thing for me.
Listen, to colleagues and to people who are still in the healthcare system right now that are working, what message do you want to send to them?
I just want to let them know that I want you to realize how important it is that you prioritize your health over your job, and that it is okay to feel the way you feel, and you need to feel safe. You need to feel protected where you work, and as long as you're happy where you're working and you don't feel anything that's like harming you in the situation, that's the most important thing.
I mean, I wish I could do even half of the way that you move, John, but I might need to come see a nurse if I try that. Thanks so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you very much.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you liked this, be sure to subscribe here, or you can check out more Your Morning videos right here.